If you've ever colored your hair with henna, you probably know this problem. It takes hours and you feel like a goddess afterwards, but after a week or two, hello root line, again. And who has 4 spare hours every time that happens? Most people think henna is an all or nothing deal. Either you fully dye your hair and commit half a day, or you just live with the roots. But what if you didn't have to choose? What if there was a way to keep your color looking fresh, your hair super healthy, and do it in just 1 hour a week? Today I show you my personal plant-powered weekly refresh routine. It's a simple herbal hair mask that keeps your color glowing and your roots blended, without the full re-dye. I've been using this for months now and no harsh root line anymore, and my hair feels softer, thicker and shinier than ever. Sounds good? Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Shanta from Cosmetic Nerd. Great to have you on my channel. Okay. Traditional henna hair coloring is beautiful, but it comes with 2 main issues. The first one is it's usually a full 4-hour commitment. And the second is your hair just grows, so a root line shows up within 1 or 2 weeks and this looks quite unmaintained. And yes, you could re-dye the full head or do a 4-hour root touch-up every week, but who has time to do that? So here's where my herbal mask routine comes in. It's quick, just 1 hour a week, and it blends your roots softly while nourishing your hair like a deep treatment. The trick is to use color depositing and hair strengthening herbs in a lighter mask-like application. So let's prepare the mask together. You need 3 tablespoons of red henna, 1 tablespoon of Manjistha for warmth and shine, 1 tablespoon of Amla for strength, add a pinch of vitamin C to help to release the dye and acidify our mixture. For the same reason, we also add 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar and then mix everything with warm water until you get a creamy paste. It should be thicker than the normal henna paste we're using because we will incubate that now overnight and then add some additional ingredients tomorrow. Don't use boiling water because that will destroy the dye. After mixing well, we let that incubate overnight. On the next day, we add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can easily use self-prepared aloe vera gel for that. I've made a video for that and I will link that below. For additional moisture and hydration, also add 1 teaspoon of honey. And last but not least, also add 4 to 5 drops of essential rosemary oil for scalp health and hair growth. Rosemary oil increases blood circulation and is wonderful to get your roots nourished. Apply your wonderful mask to fresh washed dry hair. I've made the experience that it works better with freshly washed but completely dried hair than with just towel dried hair. Cover your root line first and if you then have mask left, propagate it through the length. Pop on a shower cap and then let the mask work for 1 hour. Use this time to take a wonderful bath or read or just relax. Afterwards, rinse the mask thoroughly with just warm water, don't use any shampoo, and then finish it with a sour rinse. For the sour rinse, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a cup of water and then just rinse your hair with that. You can rinse out the apple cider vinegar or leave it in, that's up to you. In any case, the sour rinse is great to seal the cuticle and give your hair a very nice boost of shine. And that's it, 1 hour once a week, and you keep the rich natural color fresh without the harsh root line. Plus, you cannot do too much of henna, your hair will get glossier and healthier each time you use it. Here you can also see a before and after the mask comparison. For me, the most important thing is to provide recipes to you that really work. Please let me know in the comments if my mask is able to improve your henna routine, and I would be very curious to get to know your experiences with that. Please like, share and subscribe if that was helpful for you. Thanks for helping me spread the news. It was great to hang out with you and I see you next time on Cosmetic Nerd.